Hello everyone, Chicken Nancy here. So 2 days ago I ordered something off of from Amazon and it came today, which is in 2 days, which is good. Cause I actually thought Amazon takes like 5 or 6 or 7 days to arrive to my house. This is actually my very first time ordering stuff from Amazon. So what I ordered is a nail acrylic kit, the stuff to do nails. All the stuff that they do in the salon. So I'm gonna. It's not my first time unboxing a box, but it's actually my first time ordering something online. So I have to whoops. That's my address. Careful I don't show any personal information. Okay. I actually dropped on the floor when I got it. Just I don't show any personal information. I'll drop it again. I'm not gonna go with my left hand because I'm alrighty. So I got excuse me. I got an email that I was supposed to arrive at 10 p.m. but I knew that wasn't gonna happen because I don't think stuff arrives to your house at nighttime. Damn. Come on. It's taking so long. I'm have to open it on this side. Come on, open. So tomorrow I'll be getting a new package. Eyebrows, the ones that you put on. It's like a tattoo, but it's not permanent. So I would never get a real tattoo. Tattoos are permanent and very, very, very painful. Okay. Alright, it's not showing anything. Oh, this is from Amazon. So, if you order stuff on Amazon, like many times, I'm trying to like, add more money in the card because the gift card that I bought, Visa, it's loadable ones. You can add money in it. So I'm trying to like add more money so I can buy more stuff on Amazon. So it could be more help. Alright, here goes my time. Okay, there you go. I'll open it. Oh, here it is. This is the nail acrylic kit. As you can see, so it's backwards for you. Cooserry nail art decoration kit, professional acrylic nail kit, nail set. Alright, so see how it looks. Wow. Man, I can smell it already. Wow, holy shit. Oh my god, it has everything. I wish I can switch camera, showing you this, but since I can't, I will have to put the phone facing this way. So let's see if it shows. Okay. Oh my god, look at this. Man, you can smell it. The powder stuff that they to make it like this. Whoopsies. Check my address. What the heck? What's this? Activate your warranty card. You will get Oh, this is for beginner. So this is like just in case if you're comfortable. Oh, never mind. Okay. My God, look. This is stuff to do nails. Wow. I cannot wait to do my mom's nails on this. Look, guys, look. That's glitter. Holy shit. Look at that. Wow, look at this. Well, it has everything. Look, the nail cutter. This right here, I already have it. This right here. Yeah, the little brush, I have it. Everything else, I don't have it. Wow, the nail cutter. More stuff. This, I kind of have it, but it shows the name of it. What the heck is this? I never saw it before. And over here are the nails. Look. These are the clear ones. Yep. And over here, wait, hang on. 100 nails. Dang. These nails will last me a couple years. These are the ones that the salon uses. These are kind of like clear, also clear. And over here is the machine. Oh my god, this is so pretty. Look, these are the diamond stuff that you on the nails. 1, 2, 3, 4. Wow. And what's this? Oh no, this is the thing to draw the nails with. Wow, that's so cool. What color is this one? You have the white, black, pink, red, blue, and green. Well, I'm not much of a green color. Red and pink and black, yeah, I am. Oh my god, I cannot wait to show my mom. She said she didn't want me to get this because she thinks I will get, like fungus in my nails. Oh my god, look. This is powder stuff. Anyways, guys, I have to go. Yeah, it's my first time doing this, even though I did this myself, but I didn't use this stuff. I used something else that I bought the Dollar General store. It's kind of like that, but this is professionally. Yeah, so I guess this will be my early Mother's Day gift since I bought this for myself. Since Mother's Day is 22 days away, just Mother's Day is Sunday, May 14th, and tomorrow's Sunday. So yeah. So thank you, Amazon. I really appreciate it. I've been wanting this for my birthday 6.5 months ago, which was October 3rd. So I actually been getting another one from my older brother. But he's too busy. I don't want to bother him. So I have 2 of these. It'll all last him a couple of years. So thank you so much, Amazon. See ya.